Very early on, people used water power to generate energy, and water mills were already known in ancient China and Egypt by the Greeks and the Romans. Water mills can perform very different tasks, for example as sawmills, grist mills, oil mills, grinding mills, hammer mills or paper mills. The mill wheels themselves can be divided into undershot, overshot and breastshot water wheels. The undershot mill wheel simply turns in the flowing water. It dips into the water at the bottom. Especially in smaller streams, however, the water power is often insufficient. Then the water is diverted to the mill wheel via a mill race and perhaps even dammed up beforehand. In the case of an overshot mill wheel, the water reaches the mill wheel from above, whereas in the case of a breastshot mill wheel, the water reaches the wheel from the middle. However, if the mill owner dammed up the water in the upper reaches of a smaller river or stream, the mill wheel would stop in the lower reaches. This could lead to trouble and quarrels. Or if the construction of a new mill was planned, it could be that the operator of the mill further downstream feared problems and therefore objected. The romantic water mill in the Schreiber-Bogen program goes back to an old cardboard model from 1914. With such older sheets, the colouring is particularly striking. This is due to the printing process of the time, zinc printing. Originally, several colours were transferred to stones, which were then used to print on the paper. This was called lithography. But then the stones were replaced by zinc plates. Of course, these were also easier to store than the heavy printing stones. The completed mill becomes even more attractive if the mill wheel can be turned. It is very easy to do this with a cocktail stick as an axle through the wheel. A second water mill in the Schreiber-Bogen program dates from a later period, from 1984. This model was of course created in modern offset printing. The colouring and design look much finer and more realistic here. Here too, the mill wheel can be turned and even a motor can be installed.